Since Wordbee is based on browser technology, there's no software to install. At the top of the page, you will see the Welcome banner. Its appearance may differ based on your subscription. Wordbee is currently available in several different languages. Your platform administrator will provide you with a user ID and password. Should you forget your password, simply click here. A new page will open where you can enter your user ID and click Remind Me. You will receive an email with a link to reset your password. If you don't receive an email, please contact your administrator. Now let's look at how you log in normally. To log on to Wordbee, simply enter your user ID here, followed by your password here, and click on the green button to enter the platform. You will then be taken to the Wordbee homepage.